Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to start again the most important MCQs for PPSC lecturer for education. The first MCQs is which city of Pakistan is known as City of Colleges? The correct option is Lahore. How many primary schools were there in Pakistan in 1947? The correct answer is 8,413 primary schools were present in Pakistan in 1947. Who introduced the term of mental test? The person who introduced the term of mental test is Cattell. Which test represents the test of abstract intelligence? Language test is the test which represents the test of abstract intelligence. Who introduced solo taxonomy? Biggs and Collis introduced solo taxonomy. What is the main concept of Maslow's theory? The main concept of Maslow's theory is self-actualization. Who is the Chancellor of Provincial Universities? Governor of the province. Governor of the particular province is the Chancellor of the provincial universities. Which factor plays effective role in teaching learning process? Student-teacher interaction plays effective role in teaching learning process. According to which dictionary, education is a process through which a person is taught in a better way something of better way of learning. It is according to Black law. In which method study of behavior under controlled conditions is made? The correct option is experimental method. Who was the founder of idealism? Plato is the founder of idealism. What is the name of process by which learning by watching others is made? So the correct answer is observational learning. Who introduced observational learning? Albert Bandura introduced observational learning. How many main branches of philosophy are? There are 3 main branches of philosophy. List the main branches of philosophy: ontology, epistemology, and axiology. Physics belongs to which branch of philosophy? Physics belongs to the branch of philosophy is named as ontology. Values belong to which branch of philosophy? Axiology is the branch of philosophy to which values belong. Source of knowledge belong to which branch of philosophy? Epistemology is the branch of philosophy to which source of knowledge belongs. Metaphysics belongs to which branch of philosophy? Entomology is the branch of philosophy to which metaphysics belongs. Who introduced laws of learning? Thorndike introduced the laws of learning. How many domains are in Bloom taxonomy? There are 3 domains in Bloom taxonomy. What are 3 names of domains of Bloom taxonomy? Cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. These are the 3 names of domains of Bloom taxonomy. How many subdomains are in cognitive domain? There are 6 subdomains in cognitive domain. First subdomain of cognitive domain is knowledge. So it was for today's topic. Inshallah, we will come with new videos and new questions in future. Please keep visiting our channel and watch our videos. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos and updates, and share this channel with your friends. The name of this channel is The School Education, and inshallah we'll come up with next more informative and more interesting videos inshallah. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.